Hi everyone. In this section we can discuss about the projection of a point. Just listen this video. We already discussed about the horizontal plane and vertical plane in the previous class. So this figure shows a horizontal and vertical plane. And we already studied about the first quadrant, second quadrant, third and fourth quadrants. So these are the different quadrants. Now we can go for a problem. That is, this one is a point A. This point is placed just above horizontal plane and in front of vertical plane, and we have to draw the point position in the top and front views. How we can find the front view and top view? Just look from the top side. So from this side, if we look from this side, we will get the top view, and if we look from here, we will get the front view. So these are the two views for the orthographic projection. That projection I can explain later. Just listen. These are the two views. First one is front view. That view is from this side, and if we look from this side, the point A will come on the vertical plane. That is, the front view is on the vertical plane, and we can name it as A dash. And if we look from the top side, then we will get the point A is on the horizontal plane, or the shadow will come here. That point we can name it as A. So A dash and A are the different projections or different views. We can name it as front view and top view. This type of view is not possible to draw in our book. So how we can draw in our book? We can convert our 3-dimensional to 2-dimensional. That procedure is shown here. That horizontal plane is rotated to the 90 degree and it will become 2-dimension. Just listen and look at here. The top point is the horizontal plane, vertical plane, and the bottom side is the horizontal plane. And we mark 2 points A dash and A on the horizontal and vertical planes. Now this is our case. This is our paper, our 2-dimensional paper. So we can name the points like this. These are the 3 naming of points. First one, for a top view we name it as a symbol A. Always we are using small letters. Capital letter is not used in orthographic projection. Always we are using symbol A. Or in a front view we can name it as A prime, or we can call it as A dash. If it is in side view, we can name it as A double dash. Okay, these are the 3 namings in orthographic projection. So just study these 3 points. Now we can go for the cases, different cases. These points we already discussed, that is above horizontal plane and below horizontal plane. These are the 2 positions. Then similarly we have in front of vertical plane and behind vertical plane. These are the 2 points, in front of vertical plane and behind vertical plane. According to these positions we can identify which quadrants or in which quadrant the object lies. The first question they are given, consider point A. It is given that point A is 10 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of VP. So we have to draw this point A in our notebook. This side we can draw in our notebook, and left side we should identify in our mind how that point will come and what will come on the answer paper or in our paper. So there is an XY line. What is an XY line? The perpendicular joining. The vertical plane and horizontal planes are perpendicularly joined, and join that line is XY line. We draw that XY line in our paper. Then the point is 10 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of VP. So 10 mm above HP we will get from this position on the top, on the front view. If we look from here, we will get the point A dash is from the XY line, that is 10 mm. And next the point is 30 mm. 30 mm in front of VP. Where we'll get that point? This point is 30 mm in front of VP. How we draw this figure? Because this horizontal plane is rotated to 90 degree. Okay. Then that point A will come on the bottom of XY line. Thus that point will come. Just listen. The point is on 10 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of VP. This is the actual point A. A dash is the front view and A is the top view. So these are the two views. Next question. Consider another point B which is 40 mm below HP and 30 mm behind VP. So here we have the point B where it is B is 40 mm below HP. Below HP means it may be in the third quadrant or fourth quadrant, and 30 mm behind VP. So we can assure that the point is on the third quadrant because this is the position that the question given, below HP and behind VP. So we can draw the front view and top view like this. How we can draw this one? The point is 40 mm below HP and 30 mm behind VP. So first of all we can draw the 40 mm on the bottom side below HP. This is the point B. If we look from here, then the front view will lie on in this section, that is on the vertical plane, and the distance from the horizontal plane, that is 40 mm, that we can draw as the front view. We can name it as B dash. And next, where the B will come, B is the top view, that is on the 30 mm behind vertical plane, and we can rotate that horizontal plane in the 90 degree. So if we rotate horizontal in 90 degree towards up, the point B is on the above XY line. Thus the point B is above XY line. Now we can go for the another question, that is point C, which is 30 mm behind HP and 30 mm behind VP and 30 mm above HP. That point is 30 mm behind VP, 30 mm above HP. That means that point C is in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, the front view we will get the point 30 mm above HP. That is from the XY line we can draw the point C dash. That is the front view. And where will be the top view will come? Top view. If we look from the top side, the C will come on this point, that is on the HP. And if we rotate this horizontal plane to 90 degree, the point will coincide in the front view. So front view and top view are in the same points. Now we can go for the next question, that is the point D. Point D is 40 mm below and 40 mm below horizontal plane and 20 mm in front of vertical plane. So that is on the fourth quadrant. So listen, the point D is 20 mm in front. How it will come? If we look from the top side, we will get the 20 mm distance here. That is the point D. What is that point? That point is top view. And here we have on the vertical plane we have the front view. That point we can name it as D dash. These are the points. Okay. And another point, that is point E dash. They are given that the point E is 60 mm above horizontal plane and on VP. So listen the question. 60 mm above vertical horizontal plane and on vertical plane. So just listen, this point is E dash is the front view. This is the point. This point is 60 mm above horizontal plane. So we can name it as 60 mm E dash. 60 mm above we can name it as E dash, and is on on VP. On VP means the top view is on this XY line. So this point is at E. Then now last another point F dash, name it as the F is point 50 mm in front of vertical plane. 50 mm in front of vertical plane, so that F is on the bottom side, and F dash and on horizontal plane, so that F dash is on the horizontal plane on XY line. Then this is the last point, that is the point G, that is on HP and on VP. On HP, on VP means it is on the XY line. Okay, just listen this video and try to understand what are the basic names that we use here, and try to draw this in your notebook with your scale and pencil. Okay, thank you.